Welcome back to Client School. So you finally came to the conclusion that you need to hire a divorce and family lawyer. So you get a few phone numbers and start calling around. You call a particular law firm and this is what you're told. Oh yes, we can take care of you. We have just what you need. Attorney Diamond Jim is our high-end lawyer and he charges X number of dollars. Or we have someone almost as good who will charge you much less. Which would you prefer? On the surface, this sounds pretty good. You have a choice. They're being sensitive to your financial reality and needs, right? Maybe, but what that often really means is that they quote you a high price point for Diamond Jim that they know you likely can't afford, so that you'll feel better about paying the fees that the cheaper lawyer charges. And what's funny is that quite often what Diamond Jim charges is probably the same or not substantially more than the second-tier lawyer charges. It's all just a marketing gimmick to make you feel better about paying what the firm intended to charge you all along. So how do you know what a fair price to pay for a divorce and family lawyer's services really is? Well, first, don't shop by price. If all you do is shop on price, you'll find an attorney who's more than happy to charge you the price you want to pay. But bear in mind that just because you found a lawyer willing to accept the price you wanted to pay, that does not mean you got the quality you need or deserve. Instead, shop by value. And how do you know what a good value for an attorney is? I have a novel suggestion for you. Rather than make a bunch of cold calls to law firms you know nothing about, other than what you find on their website, why not judge attorneys on seeing them in action? And how can you do that? Start by calling around and finding out the names of the people that keep coming up. There's a good chance that the same names that keep coming up are probably good lawyers. Bear in mind, however, that just because you hear the name of the same lawyer or law firm cropping up again and again does not necessarily mean that lawyer or law firm is good. It may mean they just have really great marketing. But it is a start. Then go to the courthouses near where you live and ask the clerks of court there if any of those lawyers on your list are scheduled to appear in court within the next few days and weeks. Now, some court clerks might be a little surly with you and treat you like an idiot for asking, but don't let that deter you. If the clerk looks at you like she doesn't know what you're talking about or tells you that information cannot be provided, simply ask to speak with that clerk's supervisor. You'll eventually find someone who understands what you're doing and who will be willing to tell you if and when the attorneys you're thinking about hiring are going to appear in court. Then you can go to court and watch those attorneys in action. Divorce trials and hearings are public proceedings open to the public generally. This is how you can go into a courtroom and watch attorneys to see how well prepared and how persuasive they are. You can also see what kind of style each attorney utilizes to help determine whether a particular attorney would make a good fit with you, your personality, and your goals for your own divorce or family law case. If you ever want to see me and what I'm like in court, please call my office and ask my assistant when I'm going to be in court, and you're welcome to watch me in action. If an attorney is unwilling to let you see him or her in the hot seat, that's an attorney you would probably be wise to avoid. Thanks for coming to Client School.